SS-IR201, a stable, efficient, and highly integrated classroom sound field system. Unlike conventional RF wireless systems, SS-IR microphones effectively avoid Wi-Fi interference and prevent cross-room signal overlap by utilizing the non-penetrative nature of infrared signals. Furthermore, with no pairing required, each infrared microphone can work seamlessly across different classrooms that are equipped with IR receivers. This greatly facilitates school deployment and prevents cross-infection from shared microphones. The IR201 system includes a compact speaker and 2 IR microphones as a bundled solution. It installs easily. Just connect a power cord to enable the fundamental functionality. For large classrooms, adding an optional IR passive speaker helps extend the infrared coverage and improve sound distribution balance. Once powered on, the system enables instant voice reinforcement, giving teachers full flexibility and freedom to deliver instruction. The microphone accepts external audio input when needed, while its tactile buttons allow for PowerPoint slide navigation and volume adjustment. With a USB audio interface built in, the speaker supports hybrid teaching, allowing online students to hear and engage like those in person. Moreover, class sessions can also be recorded for review. The system also supports integration with third-party central controllers for remote monitoring and process control. Born for classroom audio enhancement, SS has been committed to making teaching more effective and flexible. SS